everyone, I'm back. Yes, if you guys have seen my MJ moves, they suck. So check it out if you want. Today we're gonna be my fluffy slime. So first you're gonna need glue, shaving cream, more glue, detergent, your activator, which could be lime your detergent or some shit like that. Well, today we're gonna be making. Sorry, YouTube cursing. Okay, so today we're gonna be making it. So let's make it, guys. First, you're gonna have to use your glue. You pour out the glue. If I can open the glue. Ah! Oh, guys, I'm having trouble right here. I'm having trouble right now. Ah! Mommy! Can you help me open the glue? Okay, guys, you gotta get your glue and then pour it all in. So, yeah. Pour all of it. All of it. Pour all of it. Yeah. All of it in there. Yeah. Yeah, guys, this is taking a long time. Okay, guys, so you're gonna get your shaving cream, shake it up. Oh yeah, subscribe and leave a comment down below, and please leave me some views. Don't ask. It smells weird. Am I doing this? Oh, guys, yeah, guys. Yeah. So that's the shaving cream and glue. You gotta get it nice and smooth, like this. Nice and smooth. Yeah. So now this would be a good time if you want to add any food coloring. You can add contact solution or laundry detergent, which I will add Tide. Yeah, so just add a cup of Tide. That's as much as I need, so just pour a little bit first, guys. I don't want to mess up your slime. So now it's gonna turn into slime, guys. Get really good. I gotta get really good. Okay, guys, so I'm almost. This is like this weird stage. I gotta wash my hands real quick, guys. Do a little bit. Let me check it. Jay-Z has them. Sorry about that, guys, but back to the tutorial. So yeah, you gotta mix it. It's gonna be like this at first, like that. So you gotta keep mixing, and then you're gonna like do that. Some more laundry detergent. It's a little too much. Yes. Like a little bit more. This is a very messy tutorial. It's just... Just like a weird state. It's kind of going like to my hand. I might need it. Interesting. What's wrong with my slime? Because I don't know what's wrong with my slime, but I get it all off my hands. What did I do wrong? Too much detergent or something? I gotta get it all off my hands. Not pure slime, guys. Pure, weird, choppy slime. What's wrong with my slime, but it's like weird and gooey stuff. This isn't CGI. There's no CGI in this, guys. No CGI, no nothing. I didn't edit this. This is just weird blobs. I don't even have a thumbnail, guys. Oh, that is very... It's time to go, like, knead it. This is very, very weird. Oh, yeah, guys. Michael Jackson could be alive. I just brought that up for no apparent reason. I'm gonna keep kneading this for a little bit more. Hopefully it turns into fluffy slime. Like this or something. Yeah, guys, this is turning out. Oh, guys, we almost got slime. We almost got slime. You guys hear that? That noise is slime. No CGI. I didn't add any noise effects. Love this. This is so good. I love it. This is so satisfying. I love it. Keep it in mind, guys. Oh, guys, look at this. This is slime. Clear slimy. This slime. Guys, look. Look at this. Guys, look. Look at this. This is the slime. Guys, I can just get this all off my hands. And then we're gonna go clean the plate. I messed up this plate. Hold up, guys. I'll see you in a sec. Sorry about that, guys. You guys. Ah! Yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed this fluffy slime tutorial of me making slime. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I'll tell you the steps again. Glue. So first put the glue and then put your shaving cream. And then mix it up. You can put some food coloring. I didn't put any food coloring. You can use anything, tie. You can use some stuff for activator. Yeah, I gotta go clean this all up. See you in the next one. Bye.